Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel German with Girlie. Today is the third class of our beginners German lessons, and today we are going to learn about weekdays, months, time of the day, and also a little bit about introducing about ourselves. And do remember to stick till the end, because in the end we are going to have a kind of word of the day that we have been doing since our first lesson. Firstly, we'll learn the Wochentage. Wochentage means weekdays. Let's say it once again. Wochentage. Now, there are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we are going to know what do we call each one in German. So, in German, Monday is Montag. Montag. Tuesday is Dienstag. We should all know that Tag means day in German. That's why we have a Tag at the end. Montag, Dienstag. Then we have Wednesday, which is a little bit different from all the others. We write it as Mittwoch. So Mitt means middle. Mitt. It means middle, and walk. Walk comes from this. So you can guess walk means week. So Wednesday is the middle of the week, hence midwalk. Next, we have Thursday, that is Donnerstag. 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 Next, we have Friday, that is Freitag. Then we have Saturday, that is Samstag. So S has a little bit of Z sound in it, as we learned in the previous lecture as well. So it's pronounced as Samstag. And finally, we have Sunday, that is Sonntag. Then again, S has a little bit Z sound, so it's pronounced as Sonntag. Now let's pronounce it once again. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Now, one thing that all of you should remember is that all these weekdays have the article der. So, as we know, der stands for the, and in German, there is there, the, das. There is for masculine, the is for feminine, and das is for neutral. And again, we have another d, which is for plural. So, der Montag, der Dienstag, der Mittwoch, der Donnerstag, der Freitag, der Samstag, der Sonntag. Now, let us move to the months. As we know that there are 12 months in a year. So, let us start with the first month, that is January. It is written as Januar. And as you know that J has a Y sound in it, J is pronounced as yacht in German. So it is pronounced as Januar. Next, we have February, which is Februar. 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 Then we have Mars. This A has an umlaut on it. It's pronounced as Mars. Then we have April. So spelling is same, but the pronunciation is April. Next we have May. that we pronounce as Mai. Then we have June. The spelling is Juni, and it again, J again has a Y sound in it, so it's pronounced as uni. Then we have July. Again, it starts with a J and it again has a Y sound, so it's pronounced as Yuli. Next, we have August. So, spelling is again the same, but it's pronounced as August. August. Next, we have September. Again, the spelling is same, but it's pronounced as September. Remember that S has a little bit of Z sound in it, so it's pronounced as September. Next, we have October. So, October has a C in it in English, but in German it has a K and it's pronounced as October. Then again, we have November, which has the same spelling. And finally, we have December. So, Dzember. So, Z has a little bit S sound in it, so it's pronounced as December. Like December, okay? Now let's go on once again. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. Alright? Now let us move on to the time of the day. So there are various time of the day like morning, late morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and night. So what do we call morning? Morgen. So if you want to wish someone good morning, you'll say Guten Morgen. This is this morgen. Morgen means morning. And then we have late morning, which is a little like a little before noon. That will say as four Mittag. So Mittag is noon, and a little bit before noon or late morning will be four Mittag, means before noon. And then we have noon, which will be Mittag. And then we have the afternoon. So after is Nak, and after is Nak, and noon is Mittag. So in total we have Nak Mittag. So if we have to say good afternoon, we'll say Guten Nachmittag, right? Nachmittag. Then we have evening, which is Abend. And finally, we have night, that is Nacht. Nacht. So, one thing to remember is that all these have the article there, but Nacht has the article die. So, let's say it along with the article once. Der Morgen, der Vormittag. Do you guys remember that V has a F sound in it? So, Vormittag. So, der Vormittag, der Mittag, der Nachmittag, der Abend, and die Nacht. So, it's already been the third lecture, so I think you guys must know how to introduce yourself. So, the first word that we are going to learn is Hallo. So, this means hello, and it's pronounced as Hallo, and it's the most common word which we use when we are first talking to someone. We must always greet them by at least saying hello, right? Next, if you want to say that my name is XYZ, or let's say Suhana. So, how will I say it? Meine Name ist Suhana. So this is the basic introducing yourself. You'll say hello, mein Name ist Suhana. Now instead of saying Name, you can also say Ich bin Suhana, which means I am Suhana. And if you don't want to say this as well, then you can say Ich heiße Suhana, which again means the same thing, that my name is Suhana. And this is the beta sign, which is sound of double S. So this is another alphabet. If you don't know about it, you can check out the first German lecture in which I have told about the German letters. Now, since we have also learned numbers in German, that is Zahlen, so we can also say that Ich bin, how do you say this? 22 Jahre alt. Now, what does this mean? I bin means am, 22, which is 22. Jahre means years, old. Now, this Jahre, no one is going to pronounce it as Jare. It's J has a Y sound in it, so it's Jare. Alt means old. So I am 22 years old. Now, I want you all guys to say this in the comments as well. I want you to write hello, then I want you to write any of these sentences. Like you could say Ich bin Suhana, Ich bin Ashmeet, anything, any name that you have, you can say Ich, and you can choose any of these three sentences, 1, 2, or 3. I want you to greet me by saying hello, and then I want you to tell me your name, and then finally I want you to tell me your age. If you have any doubt in this third sentence, I can repeat it again, that Ich bin 22 Jahre alt. And no one is going to write 22. We have already learned how to write numbers in German. So instead of writing 22, you will be writing 22. So I should know that you have seen my previous video which was related to numbers, that is Zahlen in German. So finally we have come to the end of our video, and we are going to end it with the word of the day, which So finally we have come to the end of the video, and we are going to end it with the word of the day, which we do every day. So right now we are just doing one word each day, but we will definitely increase the number of words we study each day. So since you are still beginners, I want you to learn just one word and article also behind it. So today's word is bet. Bet. Now it is bed. Bed in which you sleep in, and we also need to learn the article behind it. So the article behind is das Bett. Das means it is neutral. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you learned something significant. If there is any specific topic that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely cover it. And please write in the comments your name and your age, and also don't forget to greet me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.